Before you install these Canless recessed LED lights, you'll want to lay out their location and arrange wiring for each fixture. At each location, you'll drill a hole in the drywall ceiling with a hole saw that's the right size for your fixture. This one is 3 inches. After you pull the wire through the hole and strip the ends, you're ready to make your connections. These connections will be made inside the junction box that comes with the fixture. First, remove the knockout plugs from the box and insert Romex connectors to protect and secure the wires coming into the box. Next, you'll make the connections using the color-coded quick connectors, white to white, black to black, and the bare ground wire to green. Once the junction box is closed, you can fish it through the hole in the ceiling into the attic space. Then the junction box is connected to the light fixture with a small threaded connector before it snaps into the ceiling with spring-loaded wings.